All of you are again welcome to my channel. In this video we shall see how to carry out test for moderation while making use of model 1 in process macro 3. In scientific research, tests for moderation are conducted when it is assumed that third variable may strengthen or weaken the relationship between independent and dependent variables. Among variables, there are often complex causal relations that may not be identified through simple bivariate relations. Hence, a third variable is at times included while modifying the relationships. Moderator is one particular example of this third variable in research design. In this video, examination of moderation will be conducted while making use of process macro 3 in SPSS. This feature is available in SPSS and has highly useful features that are not found in other applications. Most useful aspect is that moderation can be analyzed at its three levels, which are low, medium, and high. So this is the Spss sheet in which moderation will be computed while making use of process macros. To do that, initially click on Analyze. In this pop-down window, select Regression. Another window will pop out. In this, you have to select Process Macros. Click on this. Another window will come in front of you. You have to reset this initially. Then first of all, you have to select model 1, which is meant to compute moderation in process macros 3. Then you have to select confidence interval at 95, which is considered appropriate for any calculation. Then bootstrap samples. I'll go for 5000 bootstrap samples, which is considered appropriate to minimize the errors. Now you have to select various variables which should already have been computed. First of all, I select my independent variable. BO is selected as independent variable. Then I need a dependent variable. OC will be taken as a Y variable. Now next you have to select a moderating variable. WFC in my case is a moderating variable. It will be taken as moderating variable W. Now click on options, another window will open, and in this initially you have to select that places of decimal. Go for 4 places of decimal. Then p value should be less than 0.01. Click on continue. Again in this window click on OK. So here you will have to wait for some time before the results are computed. Smarter your system is, earlier it would appear. So these are the results for which we were looking for. Initially focus on this table with the heading of model. Here you can see that BO, which was our independent variable, is casting significant impact on dependent variable, which was OC. The coefficient of regression is pretty good. Then p value is significant, and amongst these 2 point estimates, low level confidence interval and upper level confidence interval, you have to see that whether 0 lies between these 2 values or not. If 0 exists, then your values are insignificant, but in our case there is no 0, so this result is significant. So now you will see that WFC, which was our moderating variable, is again casting positive impact on dependent variable of OC, because p value is significant and there are no zeros. There is no 0 between these point estimates. Now focus on interaction term, which is formed between focal predictor and moderating variable. On moderation is again appearing as significant. There are no zeros between these point estimate, and p value is also significant. So again come down on this table. In this table you can see that moderation has been categorized at 3 levels: low, medium, and high. with consistent values of focal predictor, uh, you can see that at all three levels of moderation, low, medium, and high, effects are slightly different. Though there is different, but difference is there's only a fractional of difference. And at all three values, at all three levels of moderator, the values of focal predictor, which we term as effect, are all significant. P values are significant, and there are no zeros between point estimates as well. So in its process macros, we have the provision to divide moderator at three categories. From this, you can derive very useful conclusions, not only for your organization, but you can also make your research study very meaningful. So that's all for today's video. I'll be back again with a new video on some other topic. Thank you for watching.